You playing, Joseph? Get it. Get it. What you doing, baby? Are you all done playing? Are you all done playing? You're making silly faces. Mama's here, so you don't want to play anymore? Pick me up, pick me up. What are you doing? Yeah. Get him. Get him. We're not sure that he does it intentionally, but it's fun to watch. Hey, Joseph. No. What? What? What was that? That's a lot of bubble blowing. That's a lot of bubble blowing. How come you're not dressed? How come you're not dressed? Say, 'cause it's 84 degrees in here. 'Cause it's 84 degrees in here. Yeah.